wabarakatuh and hello. My name is Halimatul Sadiah binti Ruslan from English Professional Communication at UiTM Shah Alam. I am representing my group members, which are Alifa Iliana binti Muhammad and Wafa Nurishida binti Kasmat. Today, I am presenting a secondary data on language and social class. What is social class? According to Trudgill, when including social class variables in quantitative analysis, many variations have followed a set of empirical sociology traditions that determine an individual's positions in a discrete social class by using skills that draw on factors such as incomes, educations, and occupations. Syrian stated that considering that parental socio-economic status has consistently been related to a student's achievement across childhood and adolescence, a lack of attention to the social background in achievement of target is surprising. However, how does language is connected to social class? According to Butler et al., students whose parents had a high level of education performed better in English than students whose parents had low or medium level of education. Not only that, Salameh also mentioned that students of a higher social and academic standing can afford private tutoring in English language. Meanwhile, people with lower income are usually satisfied with what low-quality private or public schools offer simply because they cannot afford sending their children to a high-quality schools or offer them some private tutoring in English. Hence, due to the previous research, there are couples of research objectives here. Number one is to investigate what influenced students from higher social class to acquire English language. Number two is to investigate what influenced students from lower social class not to learn English language. And the last one, which is the third one, is to identify the interaction between students from higher and lower social class in speaking English. So, what I have found from the secondary research is that, first, according to Butler et al., the reason why students of a higher social and academic standing background has a better skill in English language is because their parents maintain a strong belief and high expectation in their children's English learning, which is differ from students who comes from a lower social class background where parents have lower expectations for their children in learning English as they felt that their children started having fewer opportunities to learn English successfully due to their social class. Second, students who comes from a higher social class have no responsibility and they live well in well-provided environment, which help them to focus more in their studies compared those who comes from a lower social class. These students are aiming more on how to earn money rather than focusing on their studies. Third, based on Salameh, a high social class parents can afford to provide students with extra courses in English and other types of assistance during school hours that cannot be afforded by lower social class parents. Due to that, Gao stated that students from low social class are not interested to speak in English with everyone. Meanwhile, Fay et al. Stated that the Malay students from higher social class would not interact with those in lower social class because they are afraid of rejections. From these findings, we can conclude that the higher status of a student, the better English skills they have. The differences in social class make students refuse to communicate with each other. That's all from me. Thank you for spending your time watching this video.